National President ka National People's Party NPP, ubadayru umintri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma, ula kentat mardor bakadan kano ka jinga per jingmut, ne ka jinga pat hapo ka party ne ka long ying jong u, ha ka bayade ba ka election shitting samoy, na kabenta ka Gambegre Assembly seat. Habakren siya kila patay kubor ha ka arm prater jeliw, u Conrad ula ong bakam ladan satya kano ka jinga per jingmut, ne ka jinga pat ha ka party ne hapo ka long ying jong u. Kani ka jingkren ka jong u kalawan long shibenta banjubab halor ka jingkeno ba u hemmen jong u James Sangma u bakwa banyakun kum ya kani ka election shitting samoy. Ulapan pa ya ka jing sngosi halor ka jingtmu ban ai ticket ya ka kurim jong u mentri rang ba ka mehtap candi Sangma. Ha bakentat ya kani ka jingkeno u Conrad ulaong bakidan hadu henyaw hadu prangot ki kerteng ki belami pau bat ki belayat menta katu kat nepor. Ha ka ba ula dep banyakren lut ya ki baro. Ha ka jing shisha dang ha kini ki kendet singi beladep. Ngilaya kenduk lang ha ka jingalang. Baro kentup ya kinong ngelam ki bakwa banyakun. Bat ki kerteng jeng ki berik belayat. Wat lakim shim lakwa banyakun. Nik wa ya kun ya kani ki election. Kata ka day da ka waypat kaman. Henry ki kerteng jong ki kilapa bat ya syakmat ulaong.
There is no division in the party nor any division in the family. In fact, last about couple of days or 3-4 days back, we have met, and in the meeting, everybody has, all the party leaders who are contesting, who want to contest, and the names of people whose names are doing the round, even though they may not want to contest, or they may want to contest, as different issue, but their names are doing the round. So whoever's name was doing a round, we have consulted everybody, we have talked to everybody, and everybody has confirmed that they are with the party, and whatever decision the party takes, that will be the final decision, and they will abide by that decision. So the party has taken a unanimous decision in this, and now the process of giving the report, ground report from the block level and district level and the regional level is underway, and once that process is complete, then the state committee will recommend accordingly. But let me again clarify that there is no question of any kind of division. We are very much clear that we will work together as a family, and more importantly as a political party, and all the names that are doing the rounds will work together to fight this particular election.
How many names, sir?
I don't know exactly how many names, but if you ask me all the plus and minus, there'll be about approximately about 7 to 8 names that are in the round. That does not mean that all 7 and 8 of them are actually campaigning in the ground, but people are taking their names, and so all those people, we have talked to them, and everybody has given me the assurance that whatever the party decides, we are with the party.